In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send out emails on Mailerlite easily. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or looking to streamline your process, this guide will help you make the most of your time and efforts. To begin, head over to the Mailerlite website. You can do this by navigating to any web browser and typing in the URL for Mailerlite. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the login screen. If you have a Google account, a quick and convenient way to log in is by selecting Sign in with Google. This method will save you from having to remember yet another password, and it's secure and quick. Once you're logged into your dashboard, locate the Campaigns option. It's generally found in the main menu. Clicking on Campaigns will take you to a list of your current and past email campaigns. From here, you want to click on Create Campaign. It's usually a prominent button inviting you to start your next communication. You'll then be presented with a couple of options for your campaign style. For the purpose of this exercise, let's stick to the regular campaign option. This choice is perfect for most straightforward email marketing tasks. Now is an important step, naming your campaign. This is not only crucial for organizational purposes, but it also allows for easier identification later on. You'll want to give your campaign a descriptive name that will inform you at a glance what it's about. Once your campaign has a name, it's time to enter the subject of your email. The subject line is key for enticing recipients to open your email, so make sure it's compelling and concise. Next, click on Recipients. This is where you decide who will receive your email. For most campaigns, sending to all active subscribers is a good default choice. This selection includes everyone on your mailing list who has chosen to receive your emails. Once you've made your selection, click on Select to confirm your choices. With your recipients chosen, click on Next Content to begin designing your email. You can dive into the template gallery, which offers a range of pre-made designs to choose from. Select a template that fits the theme of your message and click Choose. Depending on your needs, you may want to edit the template further. Mailerlite provides a user-friendly editor that allows you to customize emails to better fit your brand and message. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Done Editing. You've reached the final stage. Simply click on Send to distribute your perfectly crafted email to your audience. And with that, you've successfully sent out an email campaign using Mailerlite. Congratulations! This process allows you to communicate effectively and efficiently with your subscribers, meeting all your email marketing needs.